Hi, my name is Will. Welcome to the Tasty Tiger.
Hi, my name is Alex. Welcome to the Tasty Tiger.
Hi, my name is Chef Charlie. Welcome to the Tasty Tiger.
And today we're going to be making for you lemon pork chops with farro and spinach.
Okay, for this recipe, you need 3 tablespoons of lime juice, a tablespoon of peanut butter, 4 cloves of garlic, a 1½ teaspoon of honey, a half teaspoon of salt, another half teaspoon of black pepper, and then 4 8-ounce pork chops, 4 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 8.5 ounce of cooked farro, 2 5-ounce baby spinach, 1 lime wedge.
Alright, so I'm going to start cooking the pork chops. You're just going to want to drizzle some oil in the pan and then turn that on medium-high heat.
I'm going to start mincing the garlic.
Say what you're mixing in now.
Okay, so I am mixing lime juice, peanut butter, garlic, and honey into a small bowl.
Put the pork in.
Okay. I'm going to put the pork in the pan and cook it. Cook it until the internal temp is 145 degrees. Mix the ingredients together. Oh, that's me.
spices. What is it? Okay, I'm gonna start cutting up the lime, and we're gonna use as a garnish. Tough lime.
So right now I'm just waiting for the pork chops to get a nice crust on either side, and for them to be an internal temp of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I must have been something there.
Oh, this-
We're just gonna let this second pork chop cook for a little longer until it gets the right temperature.
And then we want it to get to 145 because that's when it becomes a safe temperature to eat. Is it done? Yeah, I think it's done. Take it out.
Alright, now we're taking the second one out. So we're just gonna let these cool on the plate for while we cook the farro.
So we're gonna start by adding in that first mixture that we whisked, which was lime juice, peanut butter, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. Just a bit. Just a little bit. And then we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit.
All right, so we let the farro cook until the grains separate, and then we will add our baby spinach.
So what I'm doing right now is ripping the stems off the spinach, just so we don't get that gross part in with them.
You can cut them off. That's enough.
So now what I'm going to do with these spinach is what you call a chiffonade. It's where you take the spinach, or take any leafy green you want, then you roll it up.
You multiple at a time.
Roll it up like this, and you just want to softly cut it so you get nice long strips.
Start.
And you're going to want strips just like
Do you want
this.
to plate? Sure. Okay. Put
Nice
the
and
gloves
thin.
on.
Pretty
And
thin.
start plating. That's it. That's good.
Alright, so what are we doing now? Just adding the spinach to that.
Yeah, start plating it. Let's start plating.
Move it over here. Move it over here. So just putting it on the bottom. Start plating.
Alright, so we're just using the spinach here as a little garnish for the...
That's fine.
Who's signing off?
We
Thank you
all
for
can.
watching. What?
We all can.
We all are? Yeah, at the same time.
Consider that. Just consider that. Yeah, sign off.
Thank you for tuning into this session of the Tasty Tiger. Come back for the next one.